So Kyle, one of my customers is always saying to me, if you're not making chips, you're not making money. He fully appreciates how important it is to keep his spindles running all the time. And we've been able to help with some of our automation solutions. You know, they'll have a single operator tending a machine, and that operator has to be available right when the cycle ends to efficiently remove the finished part and place a new part into the machine. And if they're doing something else, you know, they're 2 steps away, there's lost machine time. So a lot of my customers are measuring tooling uptime. You know, they've got a very expensive mill and they want to keep it running. And if there's nobody available to make that change right then, it's down. So that's one place where the robots that we provide really help with throughput and efficiency.
Putting a robot in there, oftentimes these are machines that they're running just long enough to where if you don't put a robot in or put an automated cell in, the operators cannot walk away. You have to keep them there.
Right.
Like it's structured in that fashion.
Right, they're so worried about the machine being idle that they plant a person there because they're afraid that, you know, if a person walks away and tries to keep their eye on it, it's down for a few minutes waiting for the next part, it's a loss for them. So it's really unfortunate, but I don't think, in many cases, I don't think that operators are the ideal solution for tending a machine cell. A robot knows precisely when the cycle ends and is ready to perform the very second that the doors are open.